Hello friends, I will show you how to download Primavera P6 from the Oracle website. In the URL section, type edelivery.oracle.com and then enter. Then now you have to register in the Oracle website. Once you get registered, then sign in. It is asks you to create your profile on Oracle website and enter the following details which is asked. So in the company name section and address section, you can use your college name or college address, as they don't verify your address and name. And also you can use fake phone numbers. Once you done it, then sign it. Then once you sign it, in all categories search box, type Primavera and then enter. It will give you a list of details of Primavera. We need to find Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Portfolio Management. Click on it and then search. Once you find the list of Primavera details, then go down and find REL Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Portfolio Management. I'm here showing how to download latest version. Let's click on 1912.00.0 and then go to view items and then click on continue. So in platform language, select Microsoft Windows 64-bit, click on it and then it will load. Size of the file, it is about 1.3 GB file, which is published on December 20, 2019, and click on continue, and then here we have to accept the terms and conditions provided by the Oracle website. Click on the I review and accept the Oracle license agreement checkbox and then continue. Once you click on it, then it will show us the list of files. As I already downloaded the first file and the rest of the file I need to download, so click on download. It will take some time to download depending on your internet connectivity provided by the provider. So click on the executable file of the Oracle and then choose the destination download for downloading the file. Once you download the file, once you chosen the download destination, then it will automatically download and get saved in the destination location. Once it gets downloaded, then click on folder icon and then open it, and we need to unzip all these folders. Let's get copy paste these files in one folder and then extract all the folders in that folder. Now extract all, click on right click on extract all and then click on next, and now all the folders are extracted. Now open the file which contains setup file of Primavera As we can see that the first file only is containing the setup file. Click on it. It is V9844419-01. Now it will take some time to upload the setup file. Now click on typical. It is showing the welcome to P6 Professional. Now we have to click on typical and then press OK, and then we are ready to install Primavera P6 Professional. Then click on install. Now we need to allow. Click on yes button and let the package be installed in your system. It will take some time to install the Primavera P6 file, and checkbox the run database configuration as it is and click on OK. Now in P6 Professional driver section we have to select P6 Pro standalone, and next we need to add a new standalone database and connection, and here we need to enter our name, a login name as admin, professional name that can be yours name, and enter the password as admin itself because it is easy to remember, and confirm your new password and click on next, and then click on next. If you want to load the sample data, let the checkbox be on. Now press Primavera. Now search for Primavera application file in search box and click on it. Now enter your password as admin and press connect. It will take some time to load the data of Primavera as we already loaded sample data on P6. Now it is asking us for appropriate industries to be chosen in Primavera. We will check it later. Now open Primavera P6 and go to admin, and then press admin preference and go to industry and choose engineering and construction as your industry preference and click on OK. Now it is ready to use your Primavera P6 with the loaded sample data which is provided by Oracle. If you want to see the project file, then right click and open the file, project file, and then here you can see that the interlinkage of the activities, Gantt chart, the duration, schedule completion time which is loaded in Primavera P6.